In the name of all, good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, time is Sydney, Australia right now. As you can see on the corner here is 4 minutes past 1 p.m. Date is 12th of February 2025. This is part 2 for the video I have uploaded for you guys last night, Sydney time, Tuesday night, about 11 o'clock, regarding the Euro USD, Euro Australia, and also Pound USD. If you are interested, please watch this video. I explain to you guys about what's happening, and also today I have time. I'm gonna give you some more pair and some level so you can mark it on your chart and try it on your demo account and see what happens. Before I go to the chart, in the name of who, pause the video and read this, and then we go and then I explain to you guys what happened. So let's go to the chart. For Euro USD, last night I explained to you guys the price was here. If you go to my video on YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, all the social media we have with this name and this logo, if you watch this video at the time frame of 2 minutes 18 seconds or 2 minutes 17 or 16 seconds, you can see that exactly what I have said, it came true. I mentioned that the gravity of this level is so strong and eventually market would pull to this level, which it did happen last night. And then as you can see here now, the time and the date and everything is live. This level still is valid. We haven't done anything. We need to see the price first. This is our system. We need to see the price coming to our buying zone, and then if it comes to this level, then we can buy it to this level of 1.02813. These two levels still is valid, and market has not reached to those levels, so still we are waiting to price coming to our buying zone, and then we can buy it to this level. The reason I mentioned the Euro USD now is because when I was talking to you last night, I mentioned this level, as I have said on time frame. You can watch that video again in this first one. The time frame of 2 minutes 17 or 16 seconds, I mentioned that the gravity of this level is so strong and market eventually would pull back to this level, which it did, and touch the level and bounce back. So now again I repeat what I did last night for you guys. We are waiting for price coming to this area, then we can buy it to this level. I'm not going to repeat what I have said last night, and if the price goes and pass this level, and then we can sell it to this. Okay, this is still valid, and if you want to know what is this level, I've got a screenshot of that. This is Euro USD is 1.03155. I don't change anything. That's the reason there is no candlestick on Monday night. Now there are so many candlesticks on Wednesday. So let me show you this, and then we go to the chart. So this is for Euro USD. Euro USD is still valid. For Euro Australia, as I have mentioned to you guys, we were on the trade yesterday and taking profit, and I said that if price going to our selling zone, last night I mentioned, if we get a signal to sell, which we had a signal, and this is no more valid anymore, this is all done, finished. So again, that was a strong level of gravity that market pulled to this level too, that I gave to you Monday night with a screenshot, and last night I explained. So you can see that market come to our selling zone and we had a signal and it's not worth it to enter because it's just on top of this level. So this is done, finish. For pound USD, for the pound USD again, we were in the trade and we came out of the trade for the buy with the profit, and we mentioned if price going to our selling zone, which is this area, and if we get a signal we can enter. So as you can see, there was no signal right to here. I just opened the computer and I saw those signal and enter to the market. This is my entry, and I put a virtual stop loss here. I am in the trade with this, and as you can see, this software show me that we are on loss, but it doesn't matter. If this candlestick which has got another 4 minutes close here in green, I'm not going to close the trade on loss. I will wait for the second candlestick to appear. After finish, if the still is green, then we close it on loss, and then we will wait for another signal to enter for those level and eventually this level. So I'm going to mark it up. So this is our taking profit at the moment. Eventually price would has to come to this level. Let me put the level as well. These are the level. TP1, taking profit 1, taking profit 2, and taking profit 3, which is, this is the original one. Eventually market would come and hit this level, but at the moment I am aiming on this level only, which is, I exactly put it here, is 1.24289. So this is virtual stop loss, is not actually a stop loss, because sometimes the shadow goes and then the platform close it on loss, so it's not the way we do. I will wait for the candlestick to mature in this area. If it's green, I will wait for the second candlestick. If that one is green, then I close it in the loss. But if the candlestick is red, I would let it go, or I might be enter to second entry, which I don't do it normally. So anyway, this is for the pound USD. This is good that I show you. We have a signal and I entered the trade, and you can see this is the entry. So let's see if we can have any other pair. Last night I didn't have time to show you other level because I didn't want the video get long. So we have another level here. We need to see the price coming to this area. Okay, this is our buying zone, and if we get a signal, then we can buy it to this level. I'm not going to explain again what we have said many times before. And if price continue passing this level, coming to our selling zone, which is here, then we can sell it to this level, right? And don't forget about what I have said. When market hit this level, you have to get out of the trade. 70% of the time market would bounce down again. Same thing for here. If we are in the selling zone and if we have a sell trade, then if price hit this level, get out of the trade. Don't wait, don't get greedy. So you take the profit and just run and close the trade with the profit. So this is for the pound Australia. For the pound Japan, I have this level. I am waiting. These are the level we are waiting. Hopefully, if the price coming to this buying zone, the beauty of this is we find a level, we will wait. When price reach to those levels, then we can enter for the trade. So if the price enter coming down to this area of the buying zone, we can buy to this level of 187.433, and if price pass this level and come into our selling zone, we can sell it to this level. Okay, I'm gonna put the arrow to show you. So what we need to see this price come into this area of buying zone first. We can buy to this level, and then if price come into the selling zone, we can sell it. So that is for the pound Japan. New Zealand CHF, so we have these two levels now. As I have shown you, you can watch the first video I showed you last night, those levels just briefly, and I didn't explain. As you can see, when market came to our selling zone, already hit the level, so forget it. I'm not going to do it again. But if this price coming, because for selling is bad, I'm not going to do it again. But if price coming to our buying zone, then I buy it to this level, which is, I show you this. The level is, I'm just making it. Sorry. If price come, for the sale is already done, we have a signal already done, but if price pass and come to this our buying zone, we can buy it to this level. That is for New Zealand CHF. Pound Canada, I have again those level for buy. We need to see price come to this buying zone. These might happen this week or next week. We will wait. And if price come into this area, we can sell it to this level. Okay. These are the level I'm giving you well in advance for next week, or maybe a couple of days in advance. You have to put the alarm on your chart when you hit those levels, so you can put it on your demo account, see what happens. So these are the level. Euro Canada, we have this. Okay, Euro Canada, as you can see, we got a red horizontal line, so these are the selling zone. First I need to see the price coming to selling zone, and then we get a signal to sell to this area. Okay, if price pass this level of 1.48153, come into the selling zone, and if we get a signal like this in this area, we can sell it to this level. And if price come and continue passing this level of 1.48044, and if we get a green signal, we can buy it to this level. That is for, let me put the arrow as well. These are all free signal we give you. Try it on your demo account. We are not responsible for your action. This is only education side. Okay. Let me just show you how we trade. This is live chart, live account. All right. So this is for Euro Canada. For the gold, I have it with 1 hour. Market is heading down to this level, but I don't have any signal to sell them. But eventually, market would come and hit this level. This is the gravity. Market it pulls to this level, but these are the TP1, taking profit 1, taking profit 2, taking profit 3. If in this scenario, if we get a signal of like sell in this area, I would sell it, but don't forget this is 1 hour time frame. Normally, for the sake of the video, I use 15 minutes time frame, but this one might take 2-3 weeks to reach to those levels. Sorry. For the Bitcoin, we have a buying zone first because it's got green. When we have a green, we wait for market to reach to our buying zone first, and then we can buy it to this level. 94,714. This is American dollars. Don't forget, this is not Australian. This platform is American company. So if price come and pass this level of 95,940, come into the selling zone, we can sell it to this level. Okay, this is for the Bitcoin as well. Hopefully, if all this happen, I might make the part 3 for you guys. This is part 2 that I promised last night that I'm gonna do it. Now I have time, I'll do it for you. So this is Ethereum similar. I have 2 level actually with Ethereum. This red horizontal shows we have to sell first, so we need to see price coming to selling zone and then sell it, then come back to buying zone, you can buy it. When we have green, it means we have to wait for buy first. So I'm gonna give you 4 different scenarios. Okay, first, if price coming past these 2 level, okay, this is for Ethereum 15 minutes time frame, and then we can sell it to this level. Alright, I'm going to give you 4 different scenarios, and if price after this happen come to this area, which is going to be buying zone, then if we get a signal like green signal, then we can buy to this level. Alright, this is the first scenario, or maybe second scenario if price goes there. I don't know when. We just need to see when price reach to the area. If second scenario, if price coming down to this area of our buying zone, and if we get a signal, we buy to this level first. Okay, and if price pass this level, which is 2,620 American dollars, then we can sell it to this level. So well in advance I gave you the level and the direction what will happen. So let me make this one looks better. Okay, and put the arrow as well for you guys. So I gave you 4 scenarios of what would happen to Ethereum. So the price at the moment is here. Either way, if price go up past these 2 horizontal red line, it comes to the selling zone, we sell it, and it comes back to this area, we buy. If the second scenario, if the price doesn't go up but come down to this area, then again this is our buying zone, we can buy it to this level. If price continue past this horizontal line and this line coming to this area, we can sell it to this. So these are the level I gave you. Hopefully if everything goes well, and then I come back and I make the part 3 for you guys. Before I go, in the name of who post the video and read this, we are not responsible for your action. This is only education and information side. We give you free signal, you can try it on your demo account, and if everything goes well, then you can try it with real account. We are not responsible for your loss or gain. So before I go, in the name of who, please look after yourself and your family, and if everything goes well, I make the part 3. So I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Don't finish.